Hola, mi amigos. What's going on today? I got a new camera. After like a year and a half of just not uploading at all, I got a camera, I got a MacBook, I got a scooter, I got a skateboard, I got a car, I got a skate park down the street. So I'm gonna go to W Street, Pensacola, get some clips with some POV action with my new helmet cam. Let's get to it. All right, let's hope it's not wet, cause oh wow, it rained a lot last night, and that was a few hours ago. So I'm thinking it may be dried up by now. Hopefully. Yeah, everything's still wet. Oh, it's the skate park. The skate park looks pretty decently dry. Let's hope. It's all a metal park, so it dries up decently fast, but there's concrete and there's no drainage. Dang it. Oh, is that rain? Don't be rain. So it's about to start raining. I feel rain. Let's grab my scoot and get like 3 clips and then let's head out. Right before this rain hits. Raining in Florida. What? That's impossible. No way it's gonna rain in Florida. Okay. I don't want to hit the quarter pipe because I feel like the quarter pipe's gonna be moist. I'm gonna slip out. It's not that bad. That's wet. Wow. Wowie. Okay. That's pretty dry over here. It's pretty dry over here. It's not terrible, but it's about to be though. Oh, I just slipped a little bit. Okay. This ledge is new. Wow, what's this? What? That's brand new, fool. I've never seen this here before. Yeah, it's great. Wow. Feeble front side 180 off. I'm gonna do the whole thing though. Oh, that bar almost got in the way. Wow. Okay, so if you can see that, there's a little rain cloud like right here. It's kind of going beside us, so I'm hoping it stays away. We can get a good session as it dries up. Let's hope. Because I was looking forward to skating today. I haven't skated in a few days. I can't use the mini ramp. I can use that ledge. That ledge is too wet. That box is probably good. The rail's good, and that rail's good. So let's do something cool. Let's hope we do something cool. Skirt, skirt. Manual. Air. I keep getting scared that it's kind of moist. And since it's like semi-moist, I'm gonna slip out when I land. Double whip over the bank. Let's do that. Ah, how did I miss it? My back foot just didn't land it. Let's try it again. Manual, air. Double whip. Same thing. Manual, air, double whip. Look at my feet. Let's just acknowledge that real quick. Wow. I'm not counting that. Try it again. Didn't land the manual. Told you I was wet. Whew. That's slippery. On right now. This is intriguing. I think I'm just scared because it's wet. And like if I don't land perfectly right, I'm going to slip out again. And I already slipped out twice. I'm just gonna go, right? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go whoop whoop. Whoop boop. Hop up. Go boop, boop. And then land like that and then just like slide. More over the box, like get more to the left. So when I hit it, I'm really going high. See if that helps. That was it. Ah, Come on. Just double tail whip. Let's do it just onto the box first. Easy. I can do that all day long. I just can't do it over the hip. Frustrating? This is very frustrating, if you're wondering. Ah! Oh my God. I didn't lock onto that, and my side the side of my deck just slid onto the feeble. I thought that was it. Okay, rain. All right, well, the rain's starting now finally, which that's not a good thing, but it's a thing. My mind. This is a really good, oh shoot, come on car, don't be going nowhere. This is a really good bank. Like this whole thing right here, you can go all the way down it if you wanted to. It's buttery smooth. So I'm gonna keep filming because I have nothing better to do right now. I think the rain's gonna like barely miss us, hopefully. Let's hope. You know what? I'm grabbing my No, I'm grabbing the scooter. Screw that. Screw that. Is it locked? It's not locked. I should probably lock my car. That's important. Boop. Let's go. Buttery smooth. Slid out. So smooth, bro. So smooth. Oh my God. Around the corner. Nope. That ain't happening today. 780 up. God, my back wheel is dehubbed really bad. I have another one in my car, but I just don't have the Allen wrench, the 6 mil that I need. I have a 5 mil and a 4 mil. This one, not that one. I just don't have a 6 mil, but I do have a 7 mil also. So I have everything but the one I need. So that's fun. Manual. Okay, let's second try. Easy. What'd I tell y'all? Actually, I'm trying to manual this whole thing. I'm trying to go around this hip. Ah. Touch once. Manual today, like at all. Nope. Couldn't rotate. Stair sets. I'm gonna try to do a different trick down every single one of these. No skateboards. Could have got a scooter. Decently high, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna try it once. All the way down. Okay, whip, bar, 180 heel, whip, all day, bar, all day, 180, maybe. Yep. Frontside 180. Oh, good, heel whip. Come on. Oh, that counts. Whew, that hurt my hands a lot. I haven't done a 360 yet, have I? I'm gonna do that real quick. Just a nice little ended with 360. Easy. All right, now that I'm tired and the rain's about to start, I'm done. Starting now. I'll see y'all broskies next time when something else happens. Oh my God. Huh. Bye-bye.